and most people spend hours trying to fix this silent Windows update glitch, affecting millions of its users right now. And let me show you the exact 2-minute method Microsoft technicians use to actually fix this. And here is the truth. Every minute your PC is stuck on getting things ready, initializing, or 0%, you are not just waiting, you are losing productivity, battery life, and sometimes even risk having corrupted files. And I have been seeing this everywhere lately on Windows 10 or even Windows 11, and sometimes even brand new Windows. And this has even become very alarming. And the solution to it, you just have to switch one important button Windows hide to you. And once you know that update that usually take hours will literally finish in minutes. And I have actually used this trick to fix dozens of PCs facing similar issues. And if I have been able to use it, you can also do same. And from now on, this 60 seconds reset option will save you hours of having to sit waiting on your PC to finish its updates. On your PC, navigate to the taskbar. In the search button, type services and hit on enter. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading, and this is where we're going to make some important changes. Make sure to scroll down until you locate Windows Update. In my case, this is where mine is. And for those who are having problem locating the service tab, let me close this and show it to you. You can also click on hold on the Windows key plus R, and this pop-up menu will appear. In the box, make sure to enter services.msc and hit on OK, and this will redirect you to the same interface that I am, as you can see it right here. So in the event you couldn't find the service option in the search menu, just use the command key Windows plus R and then enter the service as you see in the video. Then make sure to scroll down until you locate the Windows Update. Then in this case, make sure to right click on it and then proceed to properties, and this is where you have to follow my instructions carefully. First, make sure to tap on refresh, then allow it a bit of moment to finish refreshing. Then again, continue to right click there again, and this time proceed to properties. So after you tap on it, with the startup type, if yours is not automatic, make sure you select it as automatic. Then proceed to tap on apply, then continue to tap on start, and if it's frozen, you will see it on stick instantly. But that's not the real fix. There's even one more important thing that I have to show it to you right now. Well, if your update is still not moving after going through the first option to force it to, there is a secret Microsoft tool that forces update to repair itself. Make sure to tap on the Windows plus R key again, and this time we're gonna type this in the box. So follow it, we type percentage WinDIR, then percentage again. So this will open up this page instantly. Then here we're going to locate the software distribution folder. So make sure to scroll down until you locate software distribution. In my case, this is it. So I'm going to tap on it, and this is where we have to do some important changes here. You need to highlight everything here by tapping on the Control A, and then make sure you delete everything in this folder. Currently I'm recording, so I'm unable to delete because it might interrupt with my current recording. So make sure you delete everything here, and this will give your Windows a new face look when it comes to its update. Because what happens is this folder can contain a corrupted file, and which is hindering your PC from running its update and then making it got stuck. Now go back to the service tab again. You can either press Ctrl R and then you enter services.msr, or in the Windows search bar just type services, as you can see. And this time we're going to locate the Windows updates and then right click and tap on properties, and having this startup type as automatic, continue to tap on start, and this will make your Windows update run very smoothly without having any problem. So if option 1 didn't work for you, you can always come with the second option.